Well, here's your hillbilly air conditioning, Dad. So I took an old cooler that we had and I made a trace out, marked it around it, used a jigsaw to make the hole, but I made sure the flange was around the outside so it would sit inside of the cooler. Then I have a 18-volt fan. I also made a outline of the cooler and traced around it and used a saw to cut out the top of the cooler. So then you have an 18-volt fan. The fan runs off an 18 volt. We plug in and recharge it during the daytime. It runs for 8 hours. It's a simple concept. I throw a big bag of ice in there during the daytime when we're getting ready for bed. Shut the cooler, put the exhaust valve on, put the fan on. The fan sits like this. I'll just do this so you can see how much air is actually coming out of this. And there's your hillbilly air conditioner. I hope it works well. Bye.